Hello everyone. Today we are going to be going over a new feature in Command, which is splitting and attaching PDFs right from Command rather than having to go into DocuSign or another third-party application to split those. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Opportunities and I am going to choose the opportunity that I will be working on today. And once I'm in that opportunity here, I'm going to go into Documents, and you will select if you're putting the documents for listed or under contract. And then instead of hitting Start a Transaction, which will bring you right over to DocuSign, below that you have three dots here. If you click on that, the second option says Split and Attach PDF. So if I click on that, it's going to have the document source, which is where I'm importing those documents from, and I can hit Browse here and attach the PDF of all the completed documents. Once I've imported that, I'll just hit Next here. This is going to show me all the pages that I just imported here, which I could scroll down and it's going to give me a big view of what these documents are. Or on the left side, it's going to give me a smaller view that I could scroll through up and down as well. And then on the right side, this is where I'm going to be splitting and attaching them. So attach pages to the first column here, I would select which page and where it's going to be attaching to. So the listing checklist is the first one. That's page 1. And then I'm going to name this anything you want. You can name this that you'll remember. So I'm going to name this checklist and add more pages. The second page here is the addendum, which is the second one in Command as well. So I'm going to say that is page 2. I'm going to attach more pages. The third page here is the disclosure, which is right here as well, which is page 3. And so on I would do with the rest of the documents, where I would keep attaching them and I would select what the document is and where I want it to attach to. Once that is all completed, I would hit Split and Attach Selected at the bottom. At the top of the page, you'll see it says please refresh your browser. So once you are done here and you hit Attach, just go up to the top and hit the Reload page, and you will see those all attached right here of the documents here. It will also create a custom folder, so I know that it was created. So the Split Attached Uploads, this is what I just created here. So all of these automatically attached. I don't have to go back and forth like in DocuSign and then match them up. They'll automatically put them in. And once they're all set, you can hit Submit to MC. Or if you need to attach more or change it, you can still click on the three dots on the right of what you need to remove it, and then go back up to the original spot here and split and attach to add them as well. So it's that simple, that easy on how to attach them. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out and let me know. But I would give this a try. It's very quick, very easy,